What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Loom network, which has had a major increase in value guys. As you can see, nearly 30% up and currently trading at 0.007439 cents. So we're going to be looking at where is it heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to crash anytime soon? And looking at both buyers and sellers point of view, as in, is it time to buy it? Is it too late? On the other hand, should you sell it and take out your profits, or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher, going past the 10 cents target over the coming days and weeks as well? And also looking at its prediction over the short term, so over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, and also the long term over the next few months, and overall in 2023, how high can Loom network go, and is it crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So going into the Coinbase website, the market is 6% up. However, that doesn't mean that it's doing very well. We all know what happened about a couple of days before, where the crypto market did go through quite of a crash, but again right now is slowly starting to recover. It hasn't recovered fully yet. As you can see, what we can see is Bitcoin is still trading at just about $22,000. Even though it has pumped up 8%, it did drop down to about $19,000 about a few days ago. So Loom network is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. In the last hour itself, it managed to gain a massive 16% up in just a single hour. Over the last day, 31%. Over the week, 28%. As you can see, major drops here last week, going from about 6 cents all the way down to nearly hitting about 4 cents in target. Over the month, it is up 58%. It's been very volatile, up and down, but overall it has been moving towards the positive direction, which is all that matters. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by nearly 400%, making it $57 million in trading, which is a huge percentage increase, meaning a lot more people are trading Loom network right now. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype. And of course, it is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So we are of course going to see a lot of people trading the crypto right now. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Loom network, which is here in purple at 6 cents. However, we can see it trading at much higher value here at 7 cents, nearly hitting 8 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, very positive guys. However, they are looking very steep as well, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, the crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case, and yes, it's not realistic. Over the next 12 to 14 hours, I'm expecting Loom network to have dropped back down in value, and again, of course, it's likely to keep pumping over the next couple of hours before it starts to drop back down in value. It's going to be quite major, but again guys, it is going to be a small and steady increase in value over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down in value. Later on this evening or early hours of tomorrow, it's likely to drop back down to around 0.065 to 7 cents in target towards the very end of the day today. So do expect an overall drop in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange then are still looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. So again, it's not realistic. Exact same reason applies here guys. The only reason is looking so steep is because of the major increase that's just taken place. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Loom network to be trading around the 8 cents in target again. That does not mean that it's going to be going for a major increase in value or anything like that. In fact, what I am expecting is Loom Network to be hitting green days over the next few days and then go through a little bit of a drop back, step back down in value towards mid to end of this week, and towards the very end of this week and early next week, we should see it slowly starting to gain value up to about 8 cents in target. So again, no major pumps, no major increases in value are expected. It is likely to be very minimal. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect from Loom Network? So in this case, I'm talking about over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So let's say by early April, mid-April, and early May as well, sorry. So late April, early May, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Loom Network. And at this point, we should be hitting about 17 to 20 cents in target by early to mid-May 2023. Again, yes, it may seem like a major increase to some of you guys. However, if we manage to give it approximately 2 months time, guys, I'm pretty sure we should be able to hit around 20 cents in target, depending on, of course, on how the crypto market is performing. For example, if it manages to stay on the green side over the next couple of weeks, then yes, we are likely to hit 20 cents. And again, when I say manages to stay on the green side, that doesn't mean that, you know, it's not going to hit red candles at all. Of course it will, but overall it has to move in a positive direction. But if we have any major crashes or major pumps or any bull runs or anything like that, these things will have a major impact on the value of the whole crypto market in general. So again, these things can have a either positive or negative impact on the value of Loom Network and the crypto market in general. But anything like that, that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Loom Network for the long term. However, for the short term, as I mentioned, guys, it is quite risky right now, as I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the next towards the end of the day today and over the coming days as well. Do expect some red days and red hours as well. So again, for those of you guys who are looking to trade short term on Loom Network, I will be careful and I will make sure my risk management is on point. And again, I'm not trying to scare anyone off saying, you know, don't invest or invest or whatever it is entirely up to you guys, what you guys want to do. I'm just here to give you guys my predictions and my takes on Loom Network. So yeah, these are my takes on this crypto, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting Loom Network to be hitting the 20 cents target? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.